Was said the official Kumasi Asante Kotoko announced the signing of Michael Sefah. Nana the reports be bro say Port City for ever confirm say omo release this particular player to Kumasi Asante Kotoko Michael Sefah. You can what's him or your centre back. You can say centre back and just say or your defender or both central defense and on a modern day football no mo say centre back na enra no and a deadline day and a Port City Division 1 club for no at the Bible told just say or transfer player no and I say or major player no choir player needing a nature Kotoko but and no yet can say Kotoko be announce but Krobia and Ben announce in less than 24 hours no and Asante Kotoko social media official website near the communication no basis say the player no enya bedru Kotoko mo wie ni bibia ntize Kotoko na owo this puts the total number of players at Kotoko assigning in the first round no to 7 players. Yes, Obekai Kwame Poku di kan bae. Yes, and Benjamin Chum ebae, Isaac Minta ebae, Samson Eduku ebae, and Adrien and so ebae. Yes, Adrien and so by Kwasi Asante and so ebae, and Michael Sefah abeka ho amana 6 players. Asante Kotoko official website. And some of the 2 Jaffa player no hono. Mamempoto say Sefah, a versatile defender, secured a move on a deadline day, joining the Porcupine Warriors from Division 1 side, Port City Football Club. The 5'8" centre back can also operate as a defensive midfielder. To say the Nana Mekana Otimi Sabo as defensive midfielder. He has previously played for Liberty Professionals, or Abo Liberty Pen, now known as Hoho United and Midiama Sporting Club, where he gained a valuable top flight experience. Sefah as Abo Midiama Pen. Also, Sefah is known for his composure, strength, and ability to read the game, making him a solid addition to the Kotoko squad. Also, composure, ultimately read the game on the pan, or a good addition to Kumasi Asante Kotoko squad. Inti Zeno. Ohe Kotoko squad na position bia no metima ka say tie Nyankopon adaroma yenya 2-2-2-2-2 no center backs no first na akoye Henry Ansunko ene center back a oho na sisei no yenya player ye frɛ no Michael Sefah abeka ho ena laterals no nso sisei no ye wo Lord Amoa wo ho ye wo Lord Amoa wo ho ena ne backup a enrechi ye sign no which is so abeka ho say positions like 2-2-2-2-2-2